Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at pedal cycles, and in particular, how would you tow with one safely without causing any harm, injury to you or the actual caravan. So let's take a look. So as the weather gets really nice now, as it is today, we're going to be considering going away in our caravan. Now if you're into your pedal cycling, or your children want to take their bikes away with them, then you're going to think about how you're going to transport them. So today we're going to discuss a few options and perhaps one that I wouldn't recommend. Now this video has been sponsored by Shield Total Insurance, and if you would like a quote from them, please click the link below. Thank you. Now the first actual cycle carrier that we did consider was going to be attached to the back of the caravan on these two bars here. Well, we thought about that, and what we were concerned about was excess weight on the back of the caravan which might make it sway. So we've sort of ruled that one out reasonably quick. So the second option we looked at was actually fitting a cycle rack to the rear of the hatchback boot. Now we thought about this, and what put us off this particular idea was it would get in the way of the A-frame and our access to the hatchback should we need to get in. I know some of you, including me, I keep my caravan tools in the boot of the car when we're towing, so it would make it difficult. Now the third option we looked at was some form of cycle carrier which would actually fit on the front of the A-frame itself. Now for us that's ruled out straight away because we have a closed encased A-frame. Now those with an open A-frame, perhaps that's something that you could consider, but what I was concerned about was also the nose weight of the caravan whilst we were towing. And the fourth one I would not recommend at all, and that is storing your pedal cycles inside your caravan whilst you're towing. Now if you've got an action or adventure type caravan, that's fine. They are designed to actually carry push bikes, and sometimes they're actually designed to carry motorbikes, but a standard family caravan like this, I would not recommend it at all. So we've just been talking about a few ways in which you can safely carry your pedal cycles while towing. Now the option that I chose was this one, which is basically attached to the roof bars. Now this one in particular is just a generic one. Now what you need to do if you are going to put one on the roof is, I would recommend, one, you check your vehicle weight that the roof can load bear, two, how heavy the cycle is, and three, also buy one that suits the pedal cycle you're buying, because some of the tracks that these wheels sit in, some are very narrow, so a mountain bike might not fit in it, but a racing bike would. Now as I said, this is a generic one. We purchased this from Argos, and it was reasonably cheap, but you can spend hundreds of pounds on these. It just depends on your pocket really, but we've opted for this one. I've had Alfie's bike on it, it's not a problem. It will safely carry it while we're towing. So there are the options for transporting your pedal bikes safely whilst towing with the caravan. I'd like to thank Shield Total Insurance for sponsoring this video, and I'd also like to say that just as well as they insure caravans and motorhomes, they will also insure your pedal cycle. Well, thank you very much for joining us, and I hope you see you soon. In the meantime, bye for now.